Hey everybody, good afternoon. It's Sean and Tina with Jags Junction, The Journey. Today the journey is we're installing these old-fashioned wall oil sconces, but they're not oil. We actually have real oil ones in case of emergency. We can kind of see these. And then you can see the bottom, they actually charge right here. There's a bracket, I'll show you that bracket. It says bracket. This is actually going to go to the wall, and then it's going to sit on there like so. So you guys, I just turned them on. Look at that. I got to figure out how to turn them off. There we go. So I'm going to install these guys, and you guys can watch and see how we do and see what you think. And then you guys can install your own. We'll try and put a link to this. We're going to put them up here by the window. We installed this window, or we did this window, I don't know, it's been a few months back, but we'll try and put a link to when we did this, refurbish that window. So all right, you guys, come along and we'll try and get her done for you in a fairly fast fashion so you can watch the Super Bowl. We're not gonna watch the Super Bowl. Sorry, that's just us. So, I got my level, got my tape measure, I got my drill over there, got a pencil, trusty dusty pencil. So I've already pre-made some marks right here. We wanted about 16 inches over, so that's what we're gonna do. I wanna double check my hole measurements. So right here, I always like to try and get that. So these holes are about 2 3/4 inches apart, and I need to be 2 5/8 down so that my lamps hit right where I want them. So, like I said, I've already got a mark over here. My holes need to be right in here into this area. So, I'm gonna go ahead and just hold that up there and measure twice and drill once. Yep, I'm 2 5/8 down, right? You can't see that, but trust me, I am. So that's our mark right there. So I'm gonna put my level on this. And we're attaching this to our shiplap wall. So I got level right there. I'm right on the money. Oh, my level slipped off. Let's just put that up on top. Oh, there, we just messed that up. So let's do that again. There we go. That's the level. I'll put a mark right there and a mark right here. Now, I don't know about you guys, but sometimes I like to step back and look at it just to make sure. It says a level, but sometimes I second guess that. So anyway, I'm gonna screw this on, and this should take all of just a couple minutes. So we got one screw in the mouth. Can you see we got one screw in the mouth? Gotta have a place to hold it. Put this here. Got my trusty dusty screw gun. So right here. So just like so. Gonna hit the center. And we're gonna leave that just a little bit loose till we get our other one in. It always helps to have like a magnetic tip on your drill. Oh, that's not the spot right there. How's that look, Tina? Looks good. Oh, that one crouched down a little bit. See, it drifted. So we got to fix that. We're going to push that back up. We're going to tighten that one down. That's pretty good in there. Let's see how that looks. We may have to fix that one. How's that look? Does that look pretty straight to you guys? I'm pretty happy with it. So anyway, that's hanging one of the lamps. So I'm going to hang the other one. I don't think you guys need to see that. So we'll show you when we're done. Okay. Hey everybody, we got the lights done. That was fast. That was really, really fast. Look at this. These things are remote. Oh, I'm hitting the off button. Look at that. They're on. And they got a couple of different settings. Soft white, or I think that's, I don't know what those are. I don't know what those are supposed to stand for.
Right, the different colors.
Yeah, the different colors. So let's see. Yeah, see the different colors? Yeah, there we go. So, and you can set a timer on these. Now, in order to charge these, and that's why the bracket is the way it is you just come up and take it off and charge it down there by a USB-C port. Hey, if you guys like this, give it a thumbs up and a like, and like I said, we'll try and get a link to these lamps. We got them on Amazon. I don't know, what'd you pay for them?
About 120.
Yeah, Tina says about 120. It's actual glass, it's not plastic. So they're pretty stout. So hope you guys like that. We'll talk to you soon.